Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix Kraken Wallet app login error. So if you're facing the login error, there might be various reasons behind it. Sometimes the login error might be because of the unstable internet connection. In that case, what you have to do is make sure to connect to a stable internet connection. Also make sure the login credentials that you provided are correct. If the credentials are correct but still you're facing the login error, there might be other reasons behind it. The first reason might be because your application is not updated properly. Sometimes your application might have several bugs. You need to fix those bugs by simply updating the application. So simply launch upon Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Kraken Wallet. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Kraken Wallet and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. Simply tap on it. After that, your application will be updated and your error should be fixed. But if your error is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the application. For that, what you have to do is launch open the app library of your device. In the app library, what you have to do is find the application for Kraken Wallet. Once you find it, simply long press on it. Now tap on the option App Info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the App Info interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache and the cache of your application will be cleared. Your problem should be fixed now. But if your problem is still not fixed, there might be some problem in your device. In that case, what you have to do is simply restart your device. Long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply tap on the option restart. After that, your device will be restarted and your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and reinstall it. After that, try logging into your account and your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix Kraken Wallet app login error. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.